Hello, I'm Patrick Lilly, the Townhouse specialist from Core Real Estate, and welcome to Nolita. They say there are 8 million stories in the city, and I want to share this one with you. Come on in. It all started in 1826 when Old St. Patrick's Cathedral built its convent and school. Fast forward to today, the building has been beautifully renovated, maintaining all the period details and providing the modern conveniences that you'll want. Truly the best of both worlds. This is a classic New York townhouse layout with over 8,000 square feet on 5 floors. You enter on this gracious floor which has both a front and rear parlor. The front parlor has a working gas fireplace, high ceilings, beautiful wood floors, and what's quite unique, 2 exposures. 2 other great features of this floor are access to the residential elevator and the beautiful wet bar. The focus of this garden floor is this amazing kitchen that, as someone who likes to cook, fills me with envy. The kitchen features this amazing island, smallbone cabinetry, and the cat's meow, the Lacanche range. And with this open layout, it's also perfect for entertaining your friends and family. Adjacent to the kitchen is a large dining room with another working fireplace. And now I'm going to show you my favorite part of the house. The accordion glass wall allows for seamless indoor-outdoor living. You can dine al fresco on the lower level or play a little croquet on the upper. Sounds like fun to me. I know I told you downstairs that my favorite part of the house was a garden, but I lied. I think my favorite part is the staircase. It's one of the most beautiful sculptural elements I've seen. Encompassing over 1,750 square feet, the master floor has it all. Starting with this bedroom with generous proportions. Located in the rear of the building, facing south and overlooking the garden, the master bedroom is pin drop quiet. 3 other features that make this floor special are the private study, a palatial dressing room that's larger than many studio apartments, and one of the sexiest bathrooms you'll ever see. And I have one more favorite thing I want to show you. I love this family room on the top floor of the house. You get to see a lot of the original details, including exposed wood beams, double height ceilings, and these amazing oculus windows. With the addition of the 2 skylights and the modern fireplace, again, we're highlighting the perfect marriage between old and new. I hope you enjoyed our time together, and if you're looking for a very special and unique home in downtown Manhattan, 38 Prince just might be right for you.